Suppose if I give you a question, write a program for an array, accepting the input from a user and print that. Will you able to do it?
Yes, sir.
So how will be the approach? What will be the approach?
So first we'll ask the user to enter the size of an array.
Hmm.
For that we can take one variable, say m or n.
Hmm.
Then we'll ask to enter the elements for an array,
Okay.
where we can take a of some integer, maybe 10, 20, 100.
Hmm.
Yeah, that is how we can give input, and then we can take for loop and print the same.
Okay, good. So do you want to try that program? Do you want to write it? You have joined with a
Sir,
laptop or
actually my
mobile?
laptop is not working, sir. No, sir, my laptop is not working. I've given it for repair, sir. Tomorrow I'll be joining with laptop. But
Okay.
I can, like, if you write, I'll say you, sir.
Okay. Chandan, can you write the program if I say you that accepting the input from an array and write the program? Yeah. Can you share your screen? Please share your screen. I will guide you. But you should get a confident if anyone asks you to write a program. You should be able to do that. So you share your screen. Uh, I will going to guide you and you have to write the program. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Share your screen now. Let 1 minute. Let me enable you. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, it will take time. Wait. Yeah. You okay. How you're going to accept the input from a user? For that, you have to import the library, right? Okay. Then, but it is still giving a error in the scanner. Why it is giving an error? S- Take the cursor over the scanner. Take the cursor over scanner, not in that. Yeah. It will go. Click on that. Click on the scanner. It will suggest you like what error you are getting. First, you write down the complete line. Yes. Yes, scanner. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, yes, write down scanner array new. After that, what will come? New scanner. Right, scanner. S will be capital. Now, what kind of input you are giving? Through input, you are passing through. You are giving input through keyboard. So, in the bracket, it will come system.in. Okay. In the bracket, it will come system.in. System.in. Yes, correct. Now you close the line. Yes. Now this is for accepting the input. Okay. You have to declare the size as well. So how we will going to declare the size? You have to declare that a variable where you're going to declare a size. So just write integer n. N will be the size. Okay. No, no, not in that way. N will be only the size that will going to pass to the array. You have written wrong actually. Okay, ARR, okay, let it write integer n only, close it. Now, how you're going to accept the input? So print on the screen system.in, enter the size of an array. Okay, now here in n, you want to accept the size. Then how you're going to write? N is equal to, now you, n is equal to, you're going to call which variable now?
Array. ARR.
Correct. ARR dot. Now what kind of input will be the size? What will be the data type of input?
Int.
Yes, next int. Data type will be input, means the data type of input is integer. So you're going to use next int. Now you have taken the size. Now here you need to pass this n. Now you have to create an array. Okay, this is only the you can say this the like size that you are accepting from the user, right? So now you create an array, integer array. How you're going to create integer array? What will be the syntax of that? Creating integer array.
Int array is equal to new array of size.
Write down int array is equal to new square bracket you have to give before array. Before the name of an array, square bracket subscript you should give. Yes, new. Yeah, what is the type of an array now? New. After new, what will come? The type of an array. So what you will, what type of data array is holding? Suppose it is integer type of data is holding. So what you will going to write? What it will going to what you will going to write there?
System.
Your voice is breaking.
Next integer.
Yes, write down new integer square bracket. And in that square bracket, you are going to pass the n. N will be the size of an array. In that square bracket, you are going to pass n. N will be the size of an array. Now close it. Now next line you write down print it, enter the element that you want. Enter the element in an array. So how, yeah, write down a system out print. Correct. Now you have to use for loop, right? Because the user will going to enter the an element. So for loop, how it will going to be run? For I is equal to 0, and it will going to run till the length of an array. And what is the length of an array? The size of element you enter. So write down for loop. Yes. Correct. Good. Take the for loop inside. In a same sequence, take the for loop in parallel to the line system. Take that inside. So it will be look not there. System, I'm saying. In parallel to system. Yes. Take the curly brace as well. Hmm. Hmm. Now see, it is giving an error in I. You are missing something there. What you are missing there?
We need to
Yes. Now in that for loop, how you going to accept the input? What is the name of an array? So how you're going to accept the input from a user?
Scanner.
Scanner is there, but which variable you are going to accept input? What is the name of an array? What is the name of an array here? What variable you have declared the name of an array?
ARR.
So write down there ARRI. No, ARR is not a name of an array. What is the name of an array here?
ARRAY.
Correct. So write down ARRAY. I in square bracket, you are going to pass I. Then square bracket I, then equal to sc dot next int. Not sc, ARR dot next int. Yes, select the second option. Yes, close it. Now this for loop is for what? This for loop is for reading the input from a user, and it will going to assign to this ARRAY I. Okay. So when I is equal to 0, one element will going to be insert, and it will keep on going unless the I value is less than n. Correct. Now this is for reading. Now you write after the closing curly brace, after line 15, write down system out print, print the element, or the array element that you enter is this one. So anything you can write down in system out print. No, you are written, you are writing wrong. I just said you that you have to just print array element. So if you write I, what it will going to print? You tell me. If you write plus I, what it will going to print?
It will print. No, sir, it's error.
You just remove that. Now you have to take another for loop for printing, right? Because there are multiple elements. So for printing every element, you have to take the another for loop. So take another for loop after line 16. Remove the plus. After line 16, I said, be not before. Remove that, remove the line 16. Now take that, take, yeah. Take that system out print before. After the line 17, you have to take another for loop. Read the statement, what it is written. Array element are. So obviously you will going to take for loop below, right? Okay. Now the for loop will remain as it is. And inside the curly brace, you write the for loop as it is. Now, yeah. Now inside this, you will going to write system out println, and which variable you will going to print, which variable is assigning with the value of array.
Array of I.
Correct. So write down system out print /n array of I. Good. Close it. Yeah. Now you run this program. See, now you enter the size of an array. How many element you want to enter in an array? Anything you can take. Okay, 4. Enter, press enter. Now enter the element. Now see here, it has printed, right? You expand it toward above. Yeah, take it up. Take it up. Do you see this arrow symbol? When you take the arrow between these two window, you will get an option to expand. Click on this, click on that two symbol on your left top. Do you see that two box below one? Below, just above that. Yeah, click on that. Yes. Now you click on the problem. No, not there. Click on the program. Okay. Now see this, 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Go to the console. Click on the console in the downside output section. Click on the console. You are in the Java doc. Click on the console. In the output section below one, click on the console. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Mamta,
sir. Yes, sir. I will. Yes,
Yep.
sir.
Yes, click on the
network problem, sir.
Okay. Click on the console.
I already clicked, sir.
Click on the console here.
Some network problems.
Okay. You can stop share now.